So I'm just sort of making this video to test out my new GoPro basically. But here's my first Gen Surf, and I've just whipped up these little scrub bars that tie into the sliders here, and from the sliders into the rear bar. It's got 35-inch trips, blockers, all the good stuff. Big winch at the front. Same thing back here. Rear bar tied into sliders. Pretty happy with how they came out. Not 100% perfect, but it's a bush truck at the end of the day. Doesn't need to be amazing. Same thing. It's all just tacked up at the moment. Mighty 2.4 in there. It sits pretty sort of even with the rear, which I'm quite happy with. And same on both sides. So yeah, just got to weld it up now. And there we have it. I never said I was a good welder, but they're strong enough to hold it in place. Those are pretty ugly. That's also pretty ugly. Same. That one's borderline okay, but it's pretty damn solid. It can wiggle the whole truck. So see how it fares on the coasting. Here it is, all finished. Paint's still a bit wet. That should be right. Pretty happy with that. It sits nice and level on the guard. Same over here. Even sort of distance away from the body, front and rear. Pretty happy. Time to get it up there and out there and scratch it up, I reckon.